ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organisation, successfully launched the PSLV C-59 Probha 3 mission on Thursday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Minister for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh have congratulated the ISRO on successful launch of the Probha 3 satellites. The PSLV C-59 rocket lifted off majestically from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, taking the two Probha 3 satellites into the skies. The mission has put the pair of satellites into highly elliptical orbit around Earth, facilitating in their long observation of the solar corona. The launch remains a marvel of its kind, as the PSLV C-59 rocket will facilitate precise formation flying of the two Probha satellites in space, making them operate together as a coordinated unit. The launch will ensure maintaining relative positioning of the two spacecraft within millimeters over distances of up to 150 meters. This formation enables the system to act as a single large instrument in space. The mission's primary scientific instrument is a coronagraph, which is used to observe the solar corona, the Sun's outer atmosphere. One spacecraft will carry the coronagraph instrument, while the other will act as an occulting disk, blocking the bright light of the Sun to reveal the faint corona. Probha 3 satellites will test new technologies for autonomous navigation, precision control, and intersatellite communication, which are vital for future missions involving multiple spacecraft. The spacecraft are designed to operate autonomously, using onboard sensors and control algorithms to maintain their formation. The relatively small satellites will employ advanced optical and radio frequency metrology systems to ensure precise relative positioning. Probha 3 paves the way for future large-scale missions, such as interferometers or large telescopes that cannot be launched as a single spacecraft due to size constraints.